Hey everyone, hope you're having an awesome day and ready to have some fun drawing. For this video you will need something to draw with, like a marker or something. Something to draw on, paper, and something to colour in with as well. We've got lots of colourful markers, but you can use anything else that you like as well.
Like crayons, paint, oil pastels,
that's right,
pencils.
Yeah, cool. Alright, so you ready to get started?
Yeah!
Yeah, let's go. Alright, so let's, we've got a paper here and let's get drawing our Easter egg. Now the Easter egg is a little bit like an oval shape, but on one side it's a little bit wider than the other side, and the other side is a little pointier. So let's start drawing up the top here. So a big nice curve. We go down like this, and it's just a little bit wider at the bottom. And you just do the same on the other side. Like that. Very good. So that's our Easter egg shape. And once you've done that, if you wanted to, you can draw more and more eggs to fill up the space. And it's pretty much ready to decorate. What I'm going to draw now is I'm just going to draw 2 lines here, going around it like that, and another one like that. We've divided the egg into 3 sections, and now that we're going to colour it in, I'm going to have a pattern, a different pattern in each of these little sections there, so I think that'll look really interesting. Alrighty, so let's get colouring. And we're done. We've finished colouring in our Easter eggs, and what I've done with mine, I've added lots of colourful polka dots, some squiggly lines, and then some straight lines there as well. And what have you done with your egg?
I did some smiley faces at the top, and then I did some curves down here, and then like I put like a stick, and then it's like a rainbow going down, and also I got a blue bottom with 5 red hearts.
Wow, that's really cool. So that's the good thing about your egg. Once you've done the shape, you can colour and decorate it any way you like. So whatever you can think of, use your imagination, you can colour that in as well. Great, so did you have fun?
Yes.
Yeah, I think so too, that's awesome. Alright, we hope you followed along and had lots of fun, which is the most important thing in art, and practice of course. If you liked this video and you want to see more, check out our channel, also like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, we'll see you again next time. Bye!